Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking the exact range and the trigger you'll use. This is crucial. Once done, add a helper column that returns true when the condition is met. Make sure to use simple formulas like equals A2 100 or equals rejects match. B2, email pattern, so the flag is clear. You will avoid scanning whole sheets later. Now open Script Editor to prepare the single notification flow that fires only when that helper cell flips to true. You now write the app script. Read only the helper column, filter for true, and ignore previously processed rows. Use property service to persist the last processed row ID or timestamp so duplicates never send. Once filtered, build a concise payload with the row values and a direct sheet URL that opens to the row. Make sure to batch sends when multiple rows appear and to include a clear subject so recipients know what changed. You finish by installing the trigger type you chose and running full tests. Create a test row that meets the condition and confirm one notification arrives. Once done, inspect logs and persist a process marker to prevent repeats. If nothing sends, check trigger status, reauthorize the script, and ensure the helper cell returns a strict true not text. Make sure rate limits are respected. If you hit limits, add a short delay or batching mechanism.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.